very tight, and there's an actual like angle. Yeah, I don't think it was like that.
Big third canter lead.
He looks happy. Yeah, he's not bothered.
Someone cantered him.
Good. Yeah.
Well, I want my canter.
Very nice. Good.
Yeah, she's been watching Jamie too much.
Half ball. She doesn't. Okay, now hands forward. Leg on and hands down. Good. Oh my God. Okay. Through your hands. Slow her down. Back up. Back. Now hands forward. This horse says, I got this thing. Now leg on and hands forward. Good. But she's not. Good. Forward. Good. Hands up. Okay, you're a little late on your hands. Second jump was better. Go with her. Go with her. Good job, Skylar. And you don't want her to drag you. Hands. Good job.